Hey, good evening, everybody. It's time to unbox another tool, if the cat'll let me do it. So, what do we have in the box? Are you gonna get down? Here, I'm gonna have to put you down. This is a big box. Okay, here we go. Ooh. This was dropped off this evening from UPS. They were a little bit late. Took a little hit. Hopefully it's not damaged. I'm gonna open it from the bottom. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I see the sticker of fun. Ugh. Oh, look at that. We have another Siglent box. Give it a clue what's inside there. Siglent Spectrum Analyzer, SSA3021X Plus. This was an open box unit. You know, it's not an EEV blog knife, but it's a knife. Oh, let's see what we got here. That'd be power cord, USB, and a book. So I bought the Rigol DSA815 because I needed a spectrum analyzer because my Tektronix broke. So I bought it to do the job. I did the job, got the job done. Then all the other work, I realized that I should have got the one with the tracking generator. And yeah, it was a mistake purchase, but I needed it, and I needed it that week, and I could not wait 2 weeks for a shipment. So that's what I got. So now I've got this one. Ooh, isn't she pretty? Remove before use. Here. Now let's grab the Rigol DSA815 for comparison. Okay. And I hope this Rode microphone's working well. plug it in. Let's look at this first. Seals intact. USB, Ethernet, reference in, reference out, trigger in. The only thing I did not see was the calibration certificate, but I didn't look close enough. Calibration certificate. So this one's been sitting on the shelf a little while. Let's power this up. So I like unboxing new equipment. Ooh, there she is. This is supposed to have a really good noise floor on it. So let's goof around here and see what we can find out. This is pretty. Nice big display. Looks like it's readable from pretty good angle too. Wonder, let's see, figure out the, see how long it's been on. System info. Who we have? 128 hours. So it looks like it's been on for about 3 hours. It's sent at 125 hours residual. So yes, it looks good. Hopefully I can get some more work done